Hi, my name is Cassandra Scove. Welcome to my channel. I teach third grade in Texas, and I just started this channel to share books and my love for reading, and hopefully have other people enjoy books. And my whole goal is that kids just fall in love with reading. So I like to read their books and kind of give recommendations on different ones that I like. And I just finished reading this book called Pie by Sarah Weeks, and it was so fun. Oh my goodness, it was a perfect size book for third graders. It's got a little bit less than 200 pages in it, and it was so much fun. It's about a girl, and her aunt was a famous pie maker for their town, and she dies and leaves the recipe to the cat. And they're trying to figure out how she left the recipe to the cat. And it's a really cute book about all the people in town trying to make the best pies because they can't find her pie crust. And so they're all trying to make their own. And they're trying to figure out how to get, a few of them want to try to get the recipe for the pie crust, and how the niece goes through and finds out who's trying to steal the pie crust and how she left this to the cat. And it is so much fun. It's a really, really good, fun read. In the very beginning, it talks about how the aunt dies, but it's very quick and short. It's not a really long, sad story. It's just that her aunt's not there anymore, and now they have this. So it starts right at the mystery of the pie crust. So it's a lot of fun. And each chapter has different recipes. Like this is sour cherry pie, and it has little recipes in here. And she made some very unique pies. And that made it a lot of fun to read because you're like, oh, like here's buttermilk pies. So it's a great book. There's another book called Honey and Soup by Sarah Weeks that I also plan to read because I enjoyed this one so much. So thank you for coming today. And if you teach second, third, or fourth grade, this is a great book. It's perfect for third graders. So fourth graders would really enjoy it. I enjoyed it. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for coming to my channel.